Hey fellow investors and fellow stock guardians, it's Tuesday, February 2nd, 2021. I'm Hoda, co-founder and CEO of StockGuard, reporting to you from yet again another green stock market. All three indices finished the second day of February in the green, continuing their upward movement from yesterday. Tech earnings are pouring in and investors are expecting good news. In the US, more people are now vaccinated compared to those who have been infected by coronavirus, and the volatility fueled by the battle between retail investors and short sellers, hedge funds, is winding down, at least for now. Regardless of the short squeeze impact on individual investors and hedge funds' wealth, another not so obvious winner here is Reddit's platform and the Wall Street Bets subthread that has grown to more than 8 million members in a matter of a few weeks. This is yet again another company we can't invest in. Shares of Boston Beer were up more than 10%. According to Seeking Alpha, the retail sales report by Nielsen shows a possible strong upcoming quarterly earnings report. People are staying at home and drinking beer, it seems. It's no wonder why the company's sales have been growing quarter after quarter, and the company has remained profitable without any cash concerns. Of course, the stock continues to hover in the overvalued range, as you can see on the company's stock card if you look it up. From beer and alcoholic drinks, let's move to the green rush stocks. The green rush stocks are back with another upward rally. Stocks such as Aurora and Canopy Growth showed up on today's winners list on StockCard's Discover page, thanks to 3 Democratic senators that are drafting the legalization legislation to be presented in a few weeks. I own and have held CGC's stock in my portfolio, and I'm considering picking up a few shares of leading stocks in this sector, knowing the tremendous risk that may come with such an investment. If you'd want to do the same, go to the filter tab on the StockCard's Discover page, look up Cannabis theme, and filter the stocks to those with no cash concerns. The path to legalization is only worth the risk if the companies you invest in have enough cash to live through any possible legalization bumps and drawbacks. Let me save this watch list I created and put its link in the description for you folks to have a starting point. Going to the list of loser stocks, removing penny stocks and over-the-counter companies, and I can see despite the upward movement of the market, quite a few investors' favorite stocks were down. Quiddle, Palantir, Hims & Hers, Virgin Galactic, Stitch Fix, Lordstown, and Beyond Meat were all down at least 5% today. It tells me the market's movement upward is due to a strong earnings report by the likes of Amazon and Apple, although investors continue to sell shares in some of the recent high flyer stocks. The one company I was expecting to lose some value, but it didn't, was Amazon. The company announced strong sales, more than $100 billion in its latest quarter, but also Jeff Bezos, founder and CEO, announced his departure from the company in Q3. Typically, if a founder as influential as Bezos decides to leave the company, even if he is retiring, it causes a negative sentiment. But this time, a strong performance overshadowed Uncle Jeff's departure. As always, if you'd like to give a StockCard VIP a try to research as many stocks as you'd want and follow successful investors' portfolios, such as my role with our CEO or Windmill Strategy portfolio, use promo code ROLL with our CEO, all lowercase and in one word. That's it for today. If you like these quick market recap reports directly from my daily stock market research, please like and subscribe and share with your fellow investors. I'll see you tomorrow.